y'all, my name is Kizzy and I am NottaNailTech. Today we're outside enjoying nature again, getting a little inspiration, and I was inspired by this pretty feather here. Isn't that gorgeous? I want to put that on my nail, because why not? You know, it's there, it's pretty. Let's put it on our nail and see what happens. And I got this one too. This one here too with them beautiful blues and greens and things. Ooh. Yes, so let's throw it on a nail and see what happens. Think I'll start off with it on my nail. So to do that, I'm gonna throw some peel off base coat because if it doesn't go well, I don't want to keep it. And no prep with this base coat. You just put it on and cure it. This is the one, Nails by Deb. And it actually worked pretty well for me last time. I just peeled it off. Wasn't a lot to it. I put enough pressure on it and it just took it off without damaging my nails. So any damage you see on there, I did that myself. And I'm gonna start off with my favorite tips here. These little tips from Temu, Shein, Amazon. One of them, they're all the same, but they're these long ones. I know you say I always do long nails. Well, I like long nails. I do. You could do a variation of what I'm doing, but shorter. I just like them long. Sidewall to sidewall. I already know my sizes. We got our tip sized out. Grab a taffy gel. I'm getting dangerously low. Glob, pat, press, and cure. And cure them under the big lamp for 60 seconds. Take a small mandarin drill bit here and get anything that oozed out. Same thing every time. Just the basic steps you gotta take, you know? So, to encapsulate today, I'm gonna use this hard gel. I'm not even gonna sit here and pretend like I know what I'm doing with hard gel. I do not. I'm not a hard gel expert at all. I built the nail like once, and I don't even know how that got done. But somehow I got it done. So we're gonna try this hard gel here, and I don't know why I do this to myself, but this is what we're gonna use. So this comes with this here, those forms, and this little brush here, which I guess we'll try to use, and the hard gel, of course. Oh boy. Cut the tip of my feather off so it'll be easier to work with. Alright, I'm gonna take a thin layer of this stuff. And I'm gonna apply it right on here. And I want to set that I want it to be on there more. I think I want to catch the middle of that more. And I want to lay that down right on there, like that. And then flash cure that into place. This is what I'm thinking. I don't know. Don't it sound like I'm guessing? Because I am. And then, since it's clear, I can go like that and press it down. And that's probably as good as I'm going to get that to stick on there right now. But you know, that part's on there. And cut all this extra off. And I can cut that off right around there. Alright, so that's what we got going on there. And cut all that extra off. Alright, so I need to try to get this to lay down. So how the hell do I do that? Just put it on there? Oh yeah, I should have had a plan. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna glob this on there just so I can get it to stay down first. Oh Lord. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, if I can get the base of it to stay down, then I should be able to work with the rest, I'm thinking. So let me just get that to stay down. Let's see, now that it's down, maybe I can go like that. Oh, what is going on? This is, oh gosh. Oh Lord. Then I think we lost all the color. Did we lose the color? Is the color gone? I don't see the color anymore. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. Look at that. That looks like a blob. It's definitely not looking good. I'm just gonna get this crap on here. Oh look, it's, oh gosh, this isn't going well at all. Okay, so check this out. This is what we got. So I'm gonna break out with my file, and let's just see if we can get it to even look like a nail before I continue on to the other ones, because this is nuts. Oh well, look at that. It looks like a nail. Brought that together. Not exactly how I want it to look. It's very dark, but you know, let's work with it. At least it looks like a nail, and I'll just try to do the other ones and we'll see what we can do. Ciao. Alright, so I'm gonna take this little piece of feather here. I think I'm just gonna go across the thumb, just like this little piece. And just like put that over here somehow. Yeah. So put down this little layer of gel again. Give it something to stick to. Alright, take that piece and just lay it down in there. Okay. Alright. Let's cure that. Try to push it down, try to get it to stick on there. Flip it over, cure that underside. Cut off whatever ain't sticking on there. Okay. Lost my pretty little shape I had going on there, but you know, it's on there. Let me put some gold flakes in there, try to jazz it up a little bit. See what that does. See if that helps it a little bit. Probably not. See what we think about that. I'm mad I lost that shape. So ain't got no color, ain't got no shape. Alright, cut this little extra bits off here. Give it a little trim. All right, and try to get some hard gel over this. At this point, here's my technique, right? I'm just gonna glob it on there and just get it on there. And then try to file it into some kind of shape. All right, now that layer was to get it to stick. Now I'm just gonna try to, I guess, build it up some. I really need to work on this hard gel situation because I don't know, it's something about it. It just, usually I can see something and I can do it once or twice and I got it, but something in my brain just clicks out on this hard gel. I don't get it. I just don't get it. But this was going better than the last one. That ain't saying much, but how it is. And then there's so much other stuff that I wanted to do with the nails. I wanted to put some more stuff and encapsulate some more things in there and like get some gold veins going through, but I can't do all that. I gotta just focus on getting this nail on here and getting it looking like some nails at this point. I just want it to look decent. All right, we're gonna cure that and move on. Let's try another technique in this nail and put some nail glue on. And then try to stick the feather down, right? On the side, right? And then flash cure that. So I got one side sticking down. Let's cut off the excess here. And then, oh man, I was trying to swoop it. This came out worse than the other ones. This technique didn't work none. Well, we gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. If I get this crap to lay down here. Oh man, this is awful. I'm gonna just hold it down and flash cure it, try to get it to stick down. And cut off the excess. Stuck down though. Alright, so let's get to laying this crap down. Now I have watched many and many of a hard gel nail tutorial, and I'm just not getting it. Do any of you guys have advice on how to lay this down better? It seems like I follow the tutorials and I don't know. And then I get to doing it and I'm not actually I don't follow directions well. That's what that is. Yeah, that's what that is. So, yep, blob, just a mess. Just get it on there. We'll shape it up later. Cure that, move on. Alright, I got this feather here. Look at the colors on there. I already got the gel down. I'm curing it down and whatnot. But look at them colors. Imagine if I could have got them colors to actually show in the other nails. Wouldn't that have been gorgeous? Well, let me hold it down while I flash cure this into place. Try to get that to stick. Get my little scissors, try to get some help. But it's sticking towards my cuticles. Trim it, you know the deal. Lay it down. And I'm gonna include all this. Y'all gonna watch me struggle through this whole thing. Because people go, oh, I wish I could do nails as good as you. Baby, I can't do nails. I'll be over here struggling until I figure something out. I know the basics, and, you know, it's just all about thinking it out and figuring it out. That's all. Put this last feather down here. Try to get that to stick the best way I can. Trim it, coat it, you know what it is, and we end up here. Go ahead and clean off that tacky layer there, and let's do some serious styling. I mean, we got to get to business here. I ain't the best with shaping, so I mean Ain't the best shaper, so I'm gonna try to get as much shape as I can get up in there. And here we go. Look at that. We're looking like some nails. Let's top coat this now and see if we got any of that color. I bet it's gone. Yep. Looks like we're not getting much color back, but we got some definition back. It's interesting. Let's try to get some color back with some of these rhinestones here. Maybe the green will help the green in the feather come out. So let's do some of those. Now I got this little stone here. We'll center that. And then it's kind of lifting up towards the bottom. So I'm going to just put little stones right there to fill in that lift. You won't be able to see them from the top, but from the sides, you'll see it and it'll fill in some. So yeah, let's do that. And then take a caviar bead, start with that right in the middle. Remember I cut that feather a little wonky? Let's just try to disguise that. So I have these green circle rhinestones here. They come in 6 sizes. I'm going to start off with the biggest one and just go down each size, going right up the side of the nail, like so. Then take the caviar beads and put them in between, like so, like that and like so. Do the same thing on that other feather there. And at the top where that feather ends. Just lay some crap down, try to zhuzh things up a bit. Then my film cut off, so you know, throw a little lotion, a lot of lotion, and cuticle oil. This is what we ended up with. Now it's cute outside, but it's like the film isn't picking it up in this lighting. So let me try to show you in a different light. Maybe you'll be able to see the color in it a little better, because it looks really dark with all this light coming in. See, we have a little more definition there, a little more color. Is it what I thought it was going to come out looking like? No, but it actually is pretty in person. Now I didn't even put no rhinestones on that thumb. Don't worry about that thumb. We're not even going to discuss the thumb. So what did we learn today? We learned that you lose the color when you put feathers on your nail. We learned that I should be practicing my hard gel application. And we learned just keep going until you make something, baby. Because look at this. Are they perfect? No. But none of my nails are ever perfect. I just do what I can do until something is done. And I think we got something done here. So thank you so much for stopping by this week. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate the comments that you leave. That really helps my channel. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.